Hello everyone. Here I'm in the restaurant which is called Minerva. That's where your mask. Today I'm gonna eat dinner and play with my brother's friend.
Hey guys, I am Vihaan and I'm going to be joining Jasshun for today's video.
Yes.
So let's go.
Let's go. Pause the video. Hey, pause the video, camera man. We are going in. Hey, super. We can take Let's go to our seats. It's a playtime.
We've got a place set up here.
Hey,
I am
let's-
Iron Man, Jasshun Spider-Man.
Hey, let's rest with each other. Look,
We've got our own car collection.
I have this car, and I have this one, and I have this sports car.
I have a sheriff car. I have a old vintage car.
Wait,
I
this is
have
mine. This is mine.
Oh, you gave it for penalty, remember?
No.
I have the Spider-Man car. I have a Bugatti and I have a weird looking car.
That's not a weird looking car. That is just in some other country.
No, I don't think.
That's all. I'll just pull this. Guys, I got whatever dosa that is. And here I have this Spider-Man car. It does not levitate. This is a alive car. And there is one weird looking type of car. And there is a sports car. And I got this weirdo who can do a squat. Squat or I don't know.
I've got a sheriff car. I've got a vintage car. I've got a green goblin car. It's one of the most roots villains of Spider-Man. So I've got a Bugatti and I've got Iron Man who can go
Bro, his
first.
hand is broken. Poor thing.
Let's not talk about it.
Guys, this is my mother. How's the food?
It's very tasty.
Look at that dosa. One time it comes like a 3D cone. Upside down 3D cone. It's weird.
Hey guys,
Hide your pen.
we are solving this maze we got from Minerva.
Yeah.
And Jasshun's taking the B route and I'm taking the A route. Let's see who gets it first.
We are gonna follow these noodles. Wait. Oh. Let's follow these noodles. I made it.
You made it?
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm gonna do it in the D now.
Oh, he's taking me all around the map.
Yeah. Look at the D. Oh, we got
I'm
it.
done.
Where's my pasta? Wait, I didn't get my pasta.
అంటే 11 o'clock ఓకే చేయాలి ఎందుకంటే మాట్లాడే తప్ప కలవట్లేదు